Hi! Today I'm going to be showing you how I make this lovely little thumbnail. And I am also going to be remaking the clarity meme, don't worry. Because I was like, Earls. So we're going to be using this one. You might have known it from the one I used. Yeah, this is the actual one. So you might want to add a new layer, if I can add that. And then you'll just want to go up to 67, and then you want to start doing your thing, which you can follow these steps. Just make sure you're not doing anything dumb for the time being. Okay, now we can start. Let's go. Sorry if you guys can hear noises in the background. That's just my family down there. In case you guys are a tribute to this video, welcome to the tribute squad. No, that's actually not our real group name. I kind of messed up. How's this? I'm recording a video. So you just want to carefully outline the bits like so, and make sure they're even, because you don't want them to not be even, you know. But guys, please do follow these steps quite carefully so you can make the clarity meme thumbnail. And if you do use Ibis Paint, this will be the most recommended one. And I recommend you do use the green screen in this game, because it can help you. So you just want to carefully go around. Oh, and shout outs to June. You know who you are. Shout outs to Knife. BFB characters, though, guys. You seriously can't get enough. Yeah. Now we're just gonna carefully draw on the candy corn. I didn't do this. I just drew on some custom candy corn I did. But you guys can follow the steps. So if you guys want to get a screenshot with me in any type of game, if you're a fan or if you're a friend of mine, come in my game. Join me so we can get a screening together. And then I'll edit that screenshot for you guys to see on my next video. Guys, I'm also doing an outro contest. If you guys could do a nice outro for me, I will be using one of your guys' intros in the next vid. Look at that. It's so cute. Perfect. Oh, now I have a whole bunch of them to do. Oh, that's an ugly colour. Guys, you know what? Let's just do it my way. You know, they never said you could have enough love in 2 days, guys. You know, it is true. I mean, I would try to paint all of these, like, orange and stuff, but that would cause me to save up too much time and to the cause of COVID. Not sponsored. Totally not sponsored in this video. Because COVID-19 is coming to this, it's like slowly coming to our second wave. Like, guys, be prepared. Be prepared. I think we're all gonna die. Wait, am I missing out something? Oh, crap, I'm missing out. I hate this. I'm missing out on stuff and it's not nice. I don't like missing out on things. Things. Oh, that's because I had that thing on. That is not that. I drew those candy corns myself and I can tell you they were much better. So now we're just gonna do like the background, but I'm soon gonna color these bits, which I'm planning on doing like right now. This is the main bit you want to focus on. Getting all the little bits done, make sure there's no errors or anything. I'm just doing the little skin holes, why not? Yeah, you know, just get it all in there. That's kind of ugly, I don't like that. There. Guys, should we do skin color? Yeah, sure, why not? Who's touching that child? Seriously, now I have to... Guys, this is gonna take way longer than I expected it to. This is the worst. You guys are saying like, oh my god, this is the worst day. Guys, rip me in the comments. Rip me up. Rip me up into small pieces. I will find you guys eventually. I've never actually really done that before. I know it might look ugly at the moment, but please bear with me. The other one took me 14 minutes to do. I can't even waste that much time anymore. Bro, I'm literally about to... My battery's literally about to go kaput. Oh my... Oh, today is the worst day. I have to fill this bit myself. Perfecto. Bro, why am I not filling bits in that I should be filling in? This is the bit I should be filling in with the eyes. Is good. So, guys, when you come to the hair, please do listen to these instructions if you want to do my avatar or anything like this, because, like, I am not a very good hair designer, and you guys know me. To be a lame hair designer. Whoa.
Yeah, apparently Shane Dawson flipped his cat. The cat would be dead, sorry, but I... Hello.
Hang on, guys.
You really had to do that, didn't you? The second I was about to come my trainers in.
Haha. Plug them in upstairs.
At this point, I don't know what I'm doing. But I'm in front of
I'm a dumb boy.
No, we're not. Never mind. I forgot about that.
What, is there a bug in there? Can someone slap it?
Huh?
Is there a bug in there? Because if there is, then must slap it. There, guys. You didn't listen to the instruction. You're gonna lose my hair color. Please listen to the hair tips. And these are my little hair clips, so don't mind them. Let's do the hat now. Black with little candy corn bits, of course. Like, why would you not want a black hat with candy corn bits in it? I personally just do it my own style. Like, I'm not too keen on doing it any other way. But if you guys want to do it any other way, that is fine by me. And guys, we're almost done as well. So, bear with me just one more second. Like, I was bearing with myself the moment I saw myself in the mirror. I was like, right.
Smash it out now. I just threw the book on the sofa. Drawing.
My sister's loving drawing now. Like, I can tell you. Like, we're almost done. We're almost there, you guys. We're almost there. I can feel it. Me can feel it. And guys, we were playing Get Hit by a Train earlier, and it was like really fun. Like, I could see my dead body. Isn't that like amazing? Amazing for watching this. You get a sponsored feature in my next video. Hooray! What is this? What was I drawing here? I don't understand what this was. I think it was a part of my outfit. Not so sure at all. What is that? Like, I'm gonna just do it, man. If you guys do follow me on Roblox, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I won't upload as many, like, I won't upload as much anymore, because, like, my sister said I should take a break. Thanks, sis.
Is that face sponge, you know, the makeup one? Just put it in that water and loads of dirt has come off it. What the hell?
What one?
The new one, the bright pink one I got.
Was it red?
Yeah, it was in the box.
I think you bought a cursed one.
Anyone know where a pen is?
Yes. Now we just have to do that. And we're gonna get the clouds out. And then I'm not gonna put the clarity meme thing on because that would take me too much time to figure out. But here you go. Lovely percentage, even though I missed a bit out. But let's just ignore that for the time being. Here you go, guys.